Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this American drift car. And let me just take it apart and we'll get straight to it. So yeah, these are the parts you're going to need. So pause the video and you can get them all. So first off, you're going to start off with this. We're going to start from the back. So you're going to need to grab one of these arches and place it. Actually, let's flip it over. Get one of these, or two of these, clip pieces. You just want to place them clip pieces there. You want to get two of these white pieces and place them here. You want to get another one, place it there. Then you want to get this one of these, just place it on top. There we go. And you then want to get two T-bars and place them. So let me just place them. You want to place them on there, like that. You then want to get a red arch. You want to get two actually. Place it there. You want to get one of these red bumpers and just place it there. You want to get one of these wheels and just place it 1 second in the T-bar like that, and you want to push it up so it doesn't come out. And you want to do that on the other side. I'm just going to do that quick and then I'll be back. So yeah, now you got camber on the back. And you want to get two red lights. Just place them in here. And then you want to get... I forgot what you need now on the back. Oh yeah, you need to get two of these pieces. Place them there. Like that. Then you want to get one of these bump pieces, curved pieces, and place it. Oh, it just popped off. Let me just fix this and I'll be back. And there you go. And now you want to get a 2x4. Place it on here. You want to get a 1x4. Place it on here. And I'll be back. So yeah, what I've done is just place one of the door frames on, put two blue doors on, and one of them curved or 1x1 pieces. And I'm just gonna do the rest and then I'll be back. So I just put a 1x1 there, right there. Yeah, and I'll be back in a minute. So I've now just placed a blue seat in there, a red steering wheel, and a 2x2 3 tall piece. And I'll now just put the windows on and I'll be back. So I just put the windows on and I put a 1x4 piece underneath there. I've now put the roof on, and you're going to need to get two of them blue pieces and one of them red pieces. And you're going to do that with them. You're then going to get one of them red bumpers and you're going to place it there. You're then going to need to get two of them red pieces, two of them grey pieces, two of them grey bars, one of them and two of them. You're going to place them hook pieces there. I'm going to show you how to make the wheels for the front. I'm going to place one of them grey pieces in there. Place a red piece in there. and just put them out of the way. So I just put brief spoiler and one of them handle pieces in there. And now for the front, you're going to do this and put one of them black pieces on and the arches.